Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Mercedes Warrick, and welcome to Sacred Key. I am broadcasting live in our Be Before I Do group on Facebook. Welcome. In every series that I do that is like this is actually my personal practice that I've kind of brought to Facebook over Ramadan season. There is a time for integration, and that's what today is. Today we're just going to go right into the pouring, and I would suggest that if you'd like to bookmark this particular presentation, it will be not so much teaching today and going right into the pouring. So let's get started, and blessings be unto you. Thank you so much for being here. Putting your hands in prayer position and then placing your thumbs on your heart. Just coming into the breath, your rhythm, your life, no stress, no strain. Just coming into the consciousness of we call this the state of being. This is where you're at in this moment. Scanning your body from head to toe, and if you feel any tension in your body, just breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. A sigh of release. Breathing in, I am. Exhale, love. Breathing in, I am. I am. Let's just open our hearts to receive our daily portion. Bringing the I am flow into our beingness, just filling up from the reservoir, taking care of self. No, they're saying taking care of self so that I may be of service to others. Plugging in. Breathing in, I am. Exhaling, love. Breathing in, I am. Exhale. Breathing in, I am. Breathing out, love. Breathing in, I am. Exhale. Breathing in, I am. Exhaling, love. Breathing in, I am. Exhale. Breathing in, I am. Breathing out, love. Breathing in, I am. Exhale. Placing your hands on your heart, receiving the flow into this physical space called your body, your mind, your life, your living. Mm. Energy knows where to flow. We're not directing it, we're just receiving it. Feel any tension, breathing it out through the sigh of release, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Breathing in and releasing your hands. Now pouring love into your environment, your families, your relationships. Just sending love. That's all pouring is, just sending love into the world. Into places unknown, unseen and unknown. People, animals, communities, work. The energy knows where to flow. We're just sending it forward. Feeling any tension in your body, just breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Sigh of release. If any thought or thinking comes forward, just pour it, fill it up with love and breathe it out. Just send love to it and then just breathe it out. Breathing in the I am, exhaling love. Breathing in the I am, exhale. Breathing in the I am, exhaling love. Breathing in the I am. Exhale. Now pouring love through the divine. Breathing in the I am. Exhaling love. Breathing in the I am. Exhale. Breathing in the I am. Exhaling love. Breathing in the I am. Exhale. Bring your hands together now in prayer position. Your hands may be activated, so you don't have to push them flat together. Just leaving a little bit of space and bringing your hands back to your thumb, your heart, thumbs to the heart. Just sitting here for a moment. Guidance is saying to me, just feeling the flow of love now on the breath within your heart. Feeling it, that rhythm. And feel any tension in your body, just breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth, and a sigh of release. Allowing yourself to feel the radiant love, the connection, the connectiveness of love. Your body, mind, spirit, community, world, the divine, the infinite source. Almost like it's a circular vortex, just you're in the center of it. You can feel love radiating and flowing, the dynamic movement allows the transformations to become present in a loving, gentle, kind, compassionate, merciful way. Life is dynamic. As I breathe in, I am. As I breathe out, love. As I breathe in, I am. Exhale. As I breathe in, I am. As I breathe out, love. As I breathe in, I am. Exhale. Breathe in. Amen. And release your hands. Breathe in. Amen. Slightly open your eyes about halfway. Breathe in. Become fully present in the room. Bring yourself back into remembering breath. You may want to do a couple sighs of release. Breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Okay. May you know the divine intimately. Namaste. Blessings be unto you today. Enjoy.